Hey buddies, this is Tiger Meow and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. In this video, let me take you where I take and how I take these photos of Nendoroid Bucky, Rocket, and Captain America. Plus I'm giving you some tips on how to improve your toy photography. Today, we're doing another photo session number 3, with some of my Nendoroids and some of my action figures. So come, join me! So today, I have these things with me. I have my Sony A7 camera and I have some Nendoroids. Today we are taking some shots of this new Nendoroid that I have, Bucky, the Winter Soldier. With him is Rocket, the Raccoon. And of course, I'm also doing some shots with Captain America. And Captain America from Infinity War. So we're gonna do some shots with him and Bucky. And yeah, we'll be here. First location is this playground, and if you're looking for instant backgrounds, one of the easiest places to go is the nearby playground. Choose a good timing when you can get lights and shadows for more dramatic photos. Our second shot is gonna be this one with Rocket and Bucky. And again, take photos in every angle possible. So what I would usually do is use a blue tack for the toys so they can hold, and I would sometimes use a blue tack on the foot so it will not fall down. So that's it for the playground shots. We're gonna go to another location now to get some more shots of Bucky and maybe with Captain America. So just stay tuned and walk with me. And our second location is a nearby park. Again, choose the best timing where less people and less kids are playing. So in this shot, we'll be using a Nendoroid stand and a lot of blue tack to nail this shot. This last location wasn't planned. I just thought that it's a good setting for this photo, so I took up my camera and toys and took the shot. Hey buddies, we're done with this photo session and I hope you enjoyed this video. All the photos will be uploaded on my Instagram and will be included in this video. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Meow! Don't forget to like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram. And subscribe to my YouTube channel.